Автомат в окно выбрасывай, сказал!
Taking ground is one thing. Taking a prisoner, alive, talking, useful, is something else entirely. Open ground, no cover, and a Russian trench somewhere ahead. Crossing at a run is the only call, because a single pause here gets you killed. A grenade lands in their path before they even reach it. They reach the tree line and push through toward the trench. From here, the fighting runs on shouts and radio. Nobody on the ground can see around the next corner until the drone gives them a picture. The drone is the only one with the full picture. 6 Russians in that trench, 3 Ukrainians already inside and pushing forward. Both sides are moving through the same stretch of trench before anyone on the ground knows it. A Russian grenade lands within meters of one soldier, close enough to feel through the trench wall. The Ukrainians answer with their own grenades, close in from both sides with fire, and don't stop moving. From above, the Ukrainians are holding most of the trench now. The Russians are being pushed into a shrinking section. More soldiers are moving through the trees outside to close off what's left. Every remaining shelter is cleared on its own. Fire through the opening first, then grenades. The commander keeps calling back over the radio to check the sections already done. Nothing gets called clear until someone's been back through it. The trench is cleared, every section checked, every shelter done. The threat has shifted. It's not what's inside anymore, it's the vehicles on the radio. They pull the prisoner out fast. Enemy vehicles are close and there's no time. He's already talking. His name, his age, his unit, and his phone has Russian positions on it, password included. Azov troops push through the ruins at a run. Open ground comes up and they cross it. A Russian artillery round lands just ahead. They drop flat, then get up and keep going. Moving through the rubble, mines go in and every door gets a look. One building stops them. That door is wrong somehow, and someone could be behind it. A satchel charge at the window, then a grenade, and only then the first call to surrender.
Оружие вперед! Руки вперед!
3 calls, every soldier covering the opening, nothing coming back. Then the Russian inside throws his rifle out through the glass.
Автомат в окно выбрасывай, сказал! Давай, выходи!
The man who threw the rifle follows immediately. Through the window, both hands already up.
Пошел прямо! Точно один!
They get him under the nearest trees and down on the ground. A grenade goes into the basement to check what's down there. He answers everything, his unit, his wounds, how he got there. His rifle has a call sign on the frame. He was sent here by a court, not a recruiting office, and that tells them exactly where Russia is finding soldiers now. His wrists are tied and they take him into the building to question him. Russians throw a bomb. They don't want the prisoner talking. Everyone is fine and they move the prisoner out fast to a safe area. A soldier spots the trench in the trees and signals the others to stop. 2 soldiers take opposite ends at the same moment. Fire from one side, a grenade from the other. Anyone fleeing the gun runs into the grenade. They clear the trench and find a hole cut into the floor, a tunnel going underground. Someone is down there, and that person knows where the rest of the tunnels are. Someone moves in the dark below. A Ukrainian fires into the tunnel opening and calls down after it. A voice comes back from inside. He wants to surrender.
Сколько вас?
Сдаюсь.
Вылазь!
Сейчас.
Вылазь! Дай гранату!
Сдаюсь.
Сколько вас? Сколько вас?
2 rifles come out through the tunnel opening, pushed into the light one at a time. Then the radio. He's giving up everything he has before he comes up himself.
Рацию сюда, быстро! Рацию свою сюда! А?
Что там?
Давай ко мне залазь.
The Russian calls up from below. There's a wounded man beside him and he can't leave him. The Ukrainian above says come out first. He does. One prisoner up, one who didn't make it still below. One tunnel found under one trench. And now Ukrainian forces know to look for more. Ukrainian assault troops move through the houses with coordinates already confirmed, checking each one as they go. A door moves ahead while advancing. The soldier fires at it immediately. Grenade first, then listen. Silence after the blast means it's probably clear. Anything else means it isn't. The first structures go down this way, one by one, and the team moves on. They follow the sound of someone moving, footsteps heading underground, leading them straight to an open shelter door. One calls down into the dark, and a voice comes back. Alone, leg wounded, wants to give himself up.
Оружие с двери выкинь. Оружие внизу оставил. Руки вперед и выходи.
Weapon down, hands up, comes slowly, and the Russian comes up unarmed with both hands in the air. They send him down first with soldiers right behind. The shelter is clear, and they go through his pockets. He says he got into a fight back home. Someone's phone got taken and a court sent him here instead of prison. One question before they move, can he run 150 meters with that leg?
Плюс.
Acting on what the first prisoner told them, the whole team splits across the area, shelter after shelter. No sign until a grenade goes into one and the Russians inside open fire immediately, giving themselves away. A second grenade follows before they can do anything about it. The call to surrender goes out. The first man comes through the door and drops to the ground, then the second, then the third. All three unarmed, all three flat on the ground.
Быстрее встали, быстрее,
The team moves the prisoners out. An FPV comes in from the Russian side, close enough to feel, aimed at a group that includes their own captured soldiers. A second drone appears almost immediately, and the soldiers fire it down. Two of them carry the wounded Russian to the vehicle. Everyone gets in, and they go. Three Azov soldiers fan out toward the building on hand signals alone. At this range, one word would give them away. Grenades will push whoever's inside into the open, but this time, they need them alive and talking. Three positions, cleared in order. Fire at the first, a bomb through the window at the second, a burst down the stairwell at the third. After the third goes quiet, the surrender call goes out and the team holds for 30. If no voice answers, the drone does the rest. The smoke clears, a buried shelter entrance, and above it, an air vent. Watch what the Ukrainian soldier does next. A grenade drops into that opening, and whatever's inside will make itself known in seconds. It's how they hide from drones, and exactly how the team finds them. We can't show what follows due to YouTube's community guidelines, but he crawled out, and his hands were zip-tied before he was back on his feet. A Ukrainian soldier walks him to the vehicle. This is not an ordinary prisoner.
И все в один дом?